Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a post and post it on your Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, I'm going to create a post with Canva. So search here canva.com, and this is totally free website. If you're first time here, you have to sign up and you have to log in into your account and then search here Instagram post. So after searching for Instagram post, here you will find many post template which you will be able to edit according to your requirements. So some are free and some are pro. So if you're a free user, then you have to search for a free template. Suppose this template is free, so I'm going to select this. Simply click above the template and the template will open with a new tab, and now we can change everything from this template. Suppose I want to change this text, select the text and double click on it and type. If you want to change the color, select the text and from here change the color. You can change the font size, you can change the font style, you can change the alignment, and if you want to change anything, just click above the content and then you will be able to change everything. If you want to replace this image with your computer image, then go to upload and click on upload media and upload media from your computer. Then and here you will get your uploaded photo. Simply click above the photo which you want to use, then you can resize and you can replace with the older image easily. So after that, click on download and file type. From here you can select JPG, PDF, standard. I suggest to select here PNG and then click on download. So here you can see the post has been downloaded. Now I'm going to show you how to add this post to your Instagram. So open up new tab and type here Instagram and click on this little plus icon and click on new post. Select from computer and now select the downloaded post and click on open. So I'm selecting here original and then click on next. You can add filter, then click on next. You can write your caption here, you can add location, then click on share. And here you can see my post has been shared, and now I'm going to my profile to show you my post. So here you can see. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.